Okay. The first thing we got to do is shut the water off. And sometimes these valves don't go off all the way. I'm hoping this one's going to go. I just flushed it to make sure I could hear it. Oh no. Oh, I'm not liking that. It's still running. Man, this valve's off just about all the way. Hey, boy, I think I got it. Let's see. Nope. No, it's still running. Oh, I can't. I'm afraid to shut it off any further. Darn it. Oh, man. The valve handle has a plastic neck to it, and it feels tight. If I crank on it anymore, I could break it off because it's 10 years old. And it's not like it's just dripping a little bit. It's going a lot. Look at this. There's still a lot of water through there, so I know I've got to turn this off way further. So my guess is there's something caught inside the gate valve that's preventing this from shutting off. Okay. Well, I'm not going to be able to do it today. Because what I'm going to have to do is schedule with the building maintenance. Hey, wait. Oh, no, that's not it because it just filled this up. See, it's still going. Nope. I'm going to have to schedule with building maintenance to shut the water off to the building. Then I'm going to have to pull that valve off of there. It's a compression fitting valve. Let me get you down there and I'll show you the valve. Get you off of here. See that valve? It's an old one and it's not shutting off all the way. It's compression because it's copper, half-inch copper, and it's got a nut on here and there's a ferrule sleeve in there. When you tighten that down, it cinches on there and keeps that from leaking. So I have some new valves and I have a new escutcheon trim too. I can replace that because it's all pitted and old. I wasn't planning on doing it, but it looks like another time I'll have to have them shut the water off. Now I actually have a ferrule puller. I can show you how to do that too. I just got that at the store. I've never used one before, so that'll be kind of interesting. See if I can pull that off all the way with the ferrule puller and put the new valve on there. And the new valves I like, it's just on, off, like a quarter turn. That's it. You don't have this Mickey Mouse plastic neck. See that? I can only tighten that down so far, and it won't go any further. So there's something inside of here that's not working properly. There could be some sediment in there, some rubber gasket material that's kind of caught up in there when they shut the water on and off, and it's found its way up into this valve. Now I can't shut that valve off. Piddly poo. Mercy. Now look at that. This thing needs to be adjusted too. Not going down all the way. And so let's see. I want to put that ball down, so I'm going to unscrew that. Let's see what happens here. When this fills up. Man, I'm not liking that. I was going to take this toilet off today. Now my job has been increased because I have to get that valve off of there as well. Oh, you know what? Nabbity nabbit. I bet you there's something in. I'm going to guess there's something in this valve now. When I turn that water on and off, look at that. I don't know, let's see. Sometimes you'll get something releasing from there and it will get caught up in this head. Then you have to clean that out, but in order to clean that out, you have to turn the water off. You know? Catch-22 all the way around, huh? I've had that happen before too, where I had to replace this and I couldn't take the valve, shut it off, and I wasn't going to replace the valve. And so I had them shut the water off, and then I quickly replaced this, and 5 minutes later I said, okay, turn the water on. But with this toilet, I'm not going to be able to do that. It's going to take more than 5 minutes to get this off. So when I take this off, I'll replace the valve first, I guess. I don't know. Then I can reset the toilet after I turn the valve back off. Okay, at least I get this stuff in there. The things that happen when you work on things that start to be becoming 10 years old. This whole condo is 10 years old and things are starting to break down, and usually that's the cutoff point for all kinds of things. You start touching things and they don't, you just can't get them to fix sometimes. Okay, at least that's working for the time being. Alright, I guess I'll have to come back later and do this toilet and the valve. Stick around, more videos to come.
That's all I got for this time. And I'll be back with more videos.